Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So this is me, first time attending the SAFTAs. This was an incredible experience. An event and the craft awards. Ngiyangibona ngiyaphuma lapha emotweni shuttles. Silanda ama-shuttles from outside the parking. Cover the walk. I'm currently walking on the red carpet. Petit glacier, it's just a juice because I don't drink alcohol. So it's non-alcoholic. Ngiyawalk bheka iwalk yakhona bafethu. It was on a Friday. Shout out to the SAFTAs. Ngiyabona ngisase ku red carpet and then lana sengicela ukuthatha ithombe ke ngithi ngifaka amazaza wami. Bangene Jbee for us. This is the paparazzi moment. Ngibona nje amakhamera wangishuti. Yeah, ngiyazilungisa. Yeah. And then lana event seyicalile khona stagini KB and then K. I'm seeing the other one guy, I don't know his name, but yeah, kumnandi. Bese kwaba i-after party la ngiyabona siyajiva yebo kumnandi nabangani bami kumnandi nje. Yeah, so this was my day one. It was on a Friday. Ngiyangibona bengimuhle bafethu. Yeah. And then day two we back at the SAFTAs and then you see ngiyangibona ngiyangena manje ku red carpet Jbee Forest. Wearing my orange jacket. I was dope. I was looking fresh, eh? As you can see, I mean, styling is better of it. Nani niyazi, I've got style. Yeah, man. Ngiyaba entering sase ku red carpet. Yeah, sesingenile manje ku main event. And then the legend is performing Zola mrephe hlala uyazi amadoda ipheli. And then lana bese siya ku after party sesicedile ngiyajiva uyangibona. Yeah, bafethu mina ngikwazi ukujiva ngiyahluleka ngiyazama. So lana ithombe zami no Helen bathu banumelita from Skim Sam her name is Helen. She's beautiful. We all looking good, as you can see. Ngathi couple enye serious. Nomzamo mbatha, she is gorgeous, man, in real life. It was the first time meeting her. She's incredible, like, you know, beautiful woman. Yeah, and then lana Zulu boy, Zulu boy enjoy fethu, yeah. And then I was so excited to see Nonhletema. You know, I love her so much. You know, yeah. So it's now shout out to the SAFTAs for the invite. I appreciate it so much.